So we're here today at Rickerby Spring Show as part of our community outreach work, part of our health prevention work. Today obviously it's targeting mainly agriculture and farming, and it's fantastic to be invited here today by Rickerby Ltd, who we really appreciate their support in allowing us to have a stand.
What Rickerby Show is, it's an accumulation of all our representatives of our manufacturers and all the products we sell to farmers and in the agricultural world, and our professional horti, golf clubs, football clubs and that. And it's a chance for everybody to come down and meet the manufacturer, ask questions, plan ahead for the next 12 months. So it's like a big advert as well as hopefully a pleasant experience.
We're working in conjunction with our GP practices, but this is all part of this lifting work out of the practices to make sure that we have a team of people available to attend events such as this and represent the practices.
So I appreciate the farming community don't often seek health advice as much as the rest of the general population. That's partly long hours, rurality, access to services, etc. So it's great that we could be here today at the Rickerby Spring Show to raise awareness of mental health, of early cancer detection and heart health, and to embed this very much in the heart of the farming community.
We're offering NHS health checks. We're also offering CVD testing in conjunction with North East and North Cumbria Health Innovation and PocDoc, so people are able to come in, and it's part of our Healthy Heart campaign.
Because a lot of farming communities are out in remote sort of environment, and there's a lot of pressure in agriculture and farming the way things are, especially just alone the weather. If you think about this winter, it's been very stressful for everybody, and hey, we all need a little bit of a pep talk now and then, and so just a little bit crack or a little bit talk, a bit check, what a difference it can make.
We're working closely with our partners from NHS Talking Therapies and from the Northern Cancer Alliance to raise awareness of early cancer symptoms, early detection, early treatment, and also raise awareness of mental health issues within the farming community.
We've talked to a number of people already from the farming community, which is great, because obviously we want to get that word out about our service and kind of that we don't have to struggle in silence. You know, we can reach out, we can be there for people, and just really make sure that people, particularly farmers today, are really accessing our service and getting the best mental health care they possibly can.
We hope to improve accessibility for the farming community and tell them about our service and how we may be able to help with some common mental health problems like anxiety and depression.
Obviously it's a major issue, mental stress, and that, and especially in agriculture and farming. It's such an important thing. We're all a bit guilty, we've got a job to do, want to work, and we forget about our own personal health. So it's an ideal opportunity today for customers to have a bit crack, maybe not feeling up to scratch here and there, you know, so it's an open forum, so hopefully it does everybody a bit of good.
North Cumbria has some of the highest cancer rates in the whole of the UK, so it's coming to events like this so that we can get the word out so people know what the signs and symptoms are, so then they can get checked out. For rural communities, they're typically too busy. They're too busy looking after the animals and things that they don't actually realise that there's something wrong. So if we can raise awareness so people know what signs and symptoms to look out for, that'll be a huge advantage to them, because then they'll know when to go to the GP to get checked out.
But it's great to do this as part of an outreach to a community that don't seek health advice as much as the general population. So we're attempting to reduce health inequalities by bringing services right to the heart of the farming community.